So let's take a look at a couple of these stocks that are gapping and moving this morning. Well, first off, I have a couple of things I want to just mention. Okay, number one, AA is coming out with earnings after the bell today. So Alcoa, the start of earnings season. Okay, so let's take a look at Alcoa. Guys, to me, Alcoa is a great example of an earnings run-up. Okay, it made a beautiful run-up prior to the last week. It's put in a bottom 1, 2, 3. Bottom, double bottom, triple bottom, gapping up today. It might have a little bit of volatility in the morning, but going into the end of the day, Alcoa should really get some momentum and some get up and go. So Alcoa is a day trading watch for me. Okay, it also sets the tone for earnings season. So definitely keep an eye on Alcoa today. Okay, that's AA. All right, so the next one, we have a couple of other stocks, which I'm just going to go through. The VFC. What I've noticed, and this is a short side drop, VFC, short side drop, gapping below prior lows. That's a gap down. I'm going to put it on the gap and go down list, but I'm kind of not. I'm not too certain about these. It all depends on what the market does. Then there's MJN. That one has a better chart. That one looks like a good gap and go down. Lots of clear air. I like that one because it has lots of CA, which is clear air, right? So there's MJN. And the last one was ABC. That one also looks good. ABC company. Okay, so that's in a downtrend. It's got lots of clear air. The target on that one would be around 92. On ABC, support's around 92. It's trading at 95. So you got a nice range in there for that to melt down to. Let's take a look at HCA. That's a gap up to 67.85. Okay. HCA. Oh, good morning. GM is gapping up on the auto show news. The Detroit Auto Show. ABC. Let's take a look at ABC. ABC is a gap and go down. Just broke the 5-minute low. This one, ABC's got room down to like 92. That one worked already for me. Not big, but a little bit. A wee bit. ABC is my top one, I think. Got 92 support. Let's take a look at VFC. There's another one. Oh, I love when I'm going to stay with ABC. I got 100 shares, which is not. I wouldn't like to have more, but that's all I got filled on. I'm up $11 in GM. GM. I only have 100 shares of that too. GM fading, guys. GM. In the two trades that I'm in. Very small on both. I'm a little gun shy. I just put an order out to cover half of my VFC. And covered half my GM for 20 bucks. I want to just get it. I want to make a quick 100 on this account and then move on to another one. I'm also starting to go back to the gym today after a 20-year, no, I'm just kidding. After a few year break. I've been working out for the last week or so at home. Thanks, Jay. Attaboy, Fatty. Thanks, man. Guys, you are so supportive. Guys, I think GM is an ABC is working. I'm going to cover some. I managed to get 200 more shares of ABC. These are the ABCs of trading. I just covered another 50. Okay. So funny, guys. You're AA. If you have a problem, the first step to improving it is admitting it, Larry. Oh, you're talking about the stock. All right, guys. ABC just getting killed. I oversold as usual, but I am over my $100 target. I love gap trading, man. Booyah, right? Bang, real fast. I just wish I don't know how I oversold that way. I think I just made a keystroke error. Well, I don't use hotkeys, so it can't be a keystroke error, but GM, guys. I'm going to cover some GM. At 91 is my cover spot on GM. AA is just, ABC is just dropping. $0.50. So guys, I locked in my 125. I'm going to switch to another account. That was literally 13 minutes to make my $100 for this demonstration account. Obviously, I did have a couple of losing days. Not a little bit in the middle of last week. Monday of last week was a great day, but I'm going to cover some GM actually. It hasn't gone down. I have a cover at 90 whatever. I got out of the GM. I'm just going to run the back half. I want to make sure I lock in my $100. I do think GM is going to go down though. GM looks like a short. Cover, Irwin. I think the target on ABC. So what you should do now, since you're short from 60, you're short from 94.68. So you should just put a stop at 94.51 and a target at 92. 92.50. That's how you make big money, Erwin, in the game of trading stocks. Otherwise, you could just take your $100 and some odd dollars and run. So guys, I'm going to take my own advice on this, and I'm going to put my range order on. So here's my range order, and I'm going to put in my high price. Since my entry is at 94.82, I'm going to put my stop at 94.52. My low price is going to be 92.52. And I'm going to hit. Actually, I have 25 shares. I want to get over 100 realized. So what I'm going to do. It's going to go down again. You could short this again right now. Okay, so now I got my $100. I'm just going to put in range order. There's my range prices. I'm just going to hit cover. Okay.